purpose of this shield is to be a barrier between the retail customer and your essential personnel, whoever's behind the countertop. We've donated a lot of these locally to a lot of our local businesses, anywhere from our hospitals to our gas stations to doctors' offices, supermarkets, a little bit of application for everywhere. If you were to show this, you're the customer, I'm the essential personnel. I have a small barrier between me and you as a customer as far as a spit shield, any kind of bodily fluids, coughing, any kind of airborne or aerosol pathogens is what is being discussed in the local news these days. This is a barrier to help, a clear barrier to help protect against that. Normally we're cranking out windshields for your UTVs and ATVs and all the fun that goes along with that, but we've kind of changed gears a little bit and we're going to use our expertise and our material to help combat this crisis for our essential personnel and our first responders. We have a couple different options when we sell these. We have the UHMW legs. We have a bracket kit where you can L bracket or a flush mount bracket. So these could be mounted permanently or semi-permanently to any countertop with a couple of screws, but that's all included in the kit. These shields are American made right here in Madison, Indiana. We have our routers and CNCs running 24 hours a day to keep up with the demand to get our essential personnel the protection they need.